everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to make natural, chemical-free, vegan hand soap. You're not going to believe how easy this is. Now, you're going to want to buy yourself some pure Castile soap. This is the brand I use. Then you're going to want to get yourself some foaming hand soap dispensers. I don't know if they still sell these, so I looked it up and you can actually get some on Amazon. I'll link the bottles and the Castile soap down below so that you know where to find it. Since every bottle is not going to be exactly the same, you just want to remember to put 1/4 parts Castile soap and 3 parts water. You might have seen the prices of the Castile soap and you might be thinking that it's pricey. However, a bottle of Castile soap will last a really long time. I use it for my hand soap and I also use it for cleaning products regularly. It's very concentrated, so a little will go a long way. Now we only have one ingredient left, and this is what's going to make our soap work for killing germs, and I think that we can all agree that that is important. It's the main reason we're using the hand soap after all, right? So this magical ingredient is called tea tree oil, and it's a natural hand sanitizer. Studies show that it kills several of the common bacteria that causes virus like E. coli and influenza. You just want to put your lid on securely because we are going to shake it up. After that, you should have a nice foamy hand soap that works not only to kill bacteria, but it's also all natural and chemical free. Your finished soap should be foamy. If it's not very foamy, then just add a little bit more Castile soap. Sometimes you think you mix it right and it just comes out flat like this. So we did it. We learned how to make all natural, chemical free, vegan hand soap. And it wasn't very hard, right? So try it yourself. Have a great day, and don't forget to wash your hands, everybody. See you next time.